Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. So, many times, what happened on Thursday, that was the closing day of the week, because Friday was holiday because of the Independence Day, the market did not move. Index did not move. Nifty was sideways. At that time, better not to trade. So you should have some alternative to trade with the stocks. Here I want to share you, I have made a screener. You can also do it on the TradingView. It is very simple. I'm going to show you nothing I've added. Only I've selected the Indian market and index Nifty 200 and price SMA above 9 period, because mine is very, not premium, it is a free version. So he is not allowing me to add any moving average on intraday basis, 20 period or anything. So then I thought, which can be comparable to the 20 period moving average on the intraday, that was, I can relate it to 9 period moving average. See, I have placed the cursor. What the condition I have put is above or equal simple moving average 9 period 1 day. You can see there. If I place the cursor over here, it is showing I have selected the index 200. If I place the cursor on this, market capitalization above or equal to 15 billion Indian rupees. That's what I needed. So I want a market capitalization stocks above that, so that liquidity will be very good for me. And now in this price section, I've added only one condition. Price should be above my pre-market open. That's it. Nothing I've added. Simple screener. Take the screenshot. You add it on your chart. Next step, what happens is, after the market opens, after 5 minutes, I'll get all these stocks. And immediately I'll apply my template. It will be there in my chart. That is nothing. Gann template. Uh, Keltner channel, pi, as well as Srinivas indicator with 0.66 percentage, plus 0.26, minus 0.26, and minus 0.66. These are the levels will be there in that indicator. I've shared with many people. Many people have used it. So once I see, I just go on putting, see, I want to show these two stocks which have come on the top. Three stocks we can analyze and see. See, I am applying the eternal, this one. If I apply the eternal, let me zoom it out. Here, this is the midline. Midline corresponds to 180 degree, and immediately I'll see where is the previous day midline. That means the cycle is increasing. The mark, this stock is in, uptrend. And even though when it opened here, it was a bearish candle. But this indicator plots the midline, and also this is the 0.26, that is negative 0.26. This is the 0.26. Then I am getting these stocks in a momentum screener. It is above the pre-market open. That condition is there. And on the daily time frame, it is above the 9 period simple moving average. That means it is in uptrend. So it is now what you can do is I've applied the indicator. You can take the trade once, and additionally you can add anchored VWAP from the bottom of the yesterday. Then price is above the anchored VWAP. Okay. Another thing is price is hugging the 311, that is the midpoint. Once the price starts moving above this, see, this is the range. It started making a range till 10 a.m. That means ORB breakout. You can understand this is open range breakout and all the conditions are there here. It is a positive stock I have selected. Then I can enter, you can enter into the stock. See the beauty of it. Once it crossed the plus 0.26, this is the 180 degree and this is plus 0.26. The market started moving higher. You can capture the trade by trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss, you can enter into the trade, or otherwise you can go for corresponding call option because the trend is positive. Let me go to the option and apply 310 call option, or you can go for little bit 315 also. So first, because since it is momentum stock, you can go for out of the money call option also. So let us go to the 310 call option. You can see so beautifully, same thing, same procedure. This is the midpoint over here, previous day 180 degree. It is so far off, and this is the positive 0.26. Positive 0.26 is aligning with the minus 0.26, then it acts as a support. That is your stop loss. You can enter into this trade. You could have entered into this trade and see the beauty. This is the market has moved from around anywhere if you would have entered, keeping this as your stop loss. 7.65 as your stop loss, you need to have stop loss. And if you could have traded with this, it has finally gone to 13.8. And let me check the lot size for the eternal. Lot size, eternal. Eternal lot size, it gives you 2425. 2425. See, you have got 8.4 to 9.5, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees, and 4 rupees. So beautifully. So it is an hindsight chart. But you have entered with conviction, clarity, because everything, every condition, this has come with this condition, the stock has come with this condition. That means a positive stock, which I am selecting and applying to my template, I am taking the trade. Let us check this stock. So the condition should match. Here, the thing is, the presentation of this stock is very differently. It is going up and hitting the target in the opening bell. The median line is here. It has opened here from the previous day, and it has traded to the this target only, plus 0.261. From the minus 0.261 to plus 0.261, this is the midline. But better to avoid this stock. If you enter very quickly, it is okay. But within 5 minutes, this much move has taken place, don't go for it. This is an imbalance. Imbalance covering all the price action on the 12th and 13th price action. Better not to go for this. So, one stock if you get for the trade, that will be enough. Even the Ola Electric also, it is a quick move. This is not a good stock for us. Let us check any 9.86 percentage. Muthoot Finance. This is also you cannot trade at all. It is a huge gap up and it has gone sideways. HDFC Bank. Let us check HDFC Bank whether it was tradable. It was tradable only if you would have entered very early, if you would have noticed very early. Only the perfect two stocks were there. Only Eternal you got a thing. When it is perfectly matching, it is a small thing like this, small consolidation box, coming down and retesting and holding this, that was a perfect entry. So like that, daily in this screener, you will get one or the other stocks. So you also make this screener, just put a condition like this. Sorry, let me bring this. Once again, I'll tell you, you have to select the Indian market and you have to select whichever index you want, index 200 or index 500 or Nifty 50, you can select like that. But I selected Nifty 200 so that all the future and option stocks may come into this. And I've selected this condition, simple price above or equal to simple moving average. Even this is the condition also for the price only. Price above the pre-market open. Just only three conditions. With these three conditions, you need not go to any screener. For an intraday, with the our setup, our template, this is my template, you can also apply. And you are getting one stock. One stock is enough for you to trade. Enough for you to enter into the trade. You will be entering into the trade with conviction and clarity. And also, these are the condition. Based on the condition, the market is, this is a positive stock. Whatever we checked are all positive stocks. We got it and we are trading it. Let me go to the Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. Let me check with the daily time frame. Let me hide this indicator. You can see once it started moving above this, it came into the radar. Anyway, better you need to go to the daily time frame. What are the conditions? You can see it was the beginning thing. That's why it has moved like that. Coming to the eternal, already it was in a momentum and it was the continuation trade. Continuation from the previous day. You can see over here, from there, it was a continuation. So that was a good trade because it was a trend breakout from this level from 313. That's why price has moved very quickly. It all depends on the stocks. Better once you get the stock, go to the daily time frame and see the location, how the price is moving, from where it is moving. Then you will have an idea and immediately you can select, go to the intraday time frame. If I go to the intraday time frame, see the setup is perfect. Let me enable this indicator. Setup is perfect, right? When you take this, so if you do not have this indicator, 1 minute, hold on. All of you can alternatively, you can use one indicator is available in the TradingView, that is Gann. I think this one, Gann angles with volatility. You can use this. Gann angles with volatility, you can use it. It tells you, you explore it. Explore this. This is the actually midpoint, 180-degree point. It says buy above, sell below, and all those things, condition. Let me check whether one more is there. Yeah, one more indicator is there. Intraday buy sell using Gann angles with Ritz, Keanu Ritz. This is very, very clear. You can use this intraday by, okay, let me show you again. Intraday buy sell using Gann angles Ritz. You can apply this indicator, and this indicator has been tweaked actually. It says stop loss for buy side. Stop loss, buy above and sell below, it will tell you. So this indicator will tell you from where you need to buy. Okay. Let us go to the indicator section and calculate buy sell based on the today's open. You can previous day high, you can apply for that. If you apply previous day high and low, it gives you changed. You can see for that. And today's open, you are getting these levels, buy and sell levels. And you can also tweak it to, let me go there. Previous day low. Let us check what it does. So if you go for that, buy a previous day low, if you take that, the calculations will change. Buy at or above 309. So it will be protecting. Like that, you can select for it. Even you can apply for the Nifty, and you can do that. Okay, let us today's open. Based on the today's open, if you apply, see it is giving you buy at or about 24,646, and the target it is giving 685. So the price was sideways, and neither it was a buy, expansion of the price action, neither it was a sell. The market stayed within the range. This type of days, actually, market will not trend all days. Market goes through sideways, and most of the time, the market will be in the sideways mode. Only trendy moves will come either a single day, only one day in the week. What you can do is you can trade alternatively with the stocks, and you can go for the stock so that you will not have any missed trades. You can trade it, you will not trade wrongly. So you can utilize this. Since you people may not be having my indicator, those people can utilize this intraday buy sell levels by Keanu Ritz. Let me take the screenshot of that. This one, intraday, buy, sell, and paste it for you so that you will not forget. You will not ask me for that. Okay, I'm pasting it here. Okay, so that you will not miss it. You can see over here, intraday buy sell using Gann angles, and you can utilize for the eternal. It has got flexibility. Let me go back and put it on the stocks, eternal limited. So if you tweak it for open, it will give you one reading. You can change the settings and you can utilize for that. If you take it for the, previous day low, then it will give calculations like this. So beautifully they have done it. We should appreciate the person. Previous day close, it will give you the readings. So you can see where is the safe level and you can enter into it. Enter into the trade with confidence and conviction because you are selecting the stock which is in momentum, which has opened above the 9-period moving average on the daily, and also it is above the pre-market open price. That is very important. So when it is opening above the pre-market open price, you can mark this pre-market open price. I think I have given that, which one, TTM squeeze indicator. In that, everything is available. Pre-market open, pre-market high, and pre-market low will be marked in that. You can utilize that indicator also if you have that TTM squeeze. Or otherwise, if you do not have, I'll tell you, there is one indicator. Let me take out this indicator, intraday buy sell indicator. One indicator is available for pre-market levels, pre-market hourly, box trading, pre-market open line. This one, pre-market open line by Ripster. Note down, I'm slowing it down. Slowly I'm telling you, pre-market open line with Ripster 47. You apply this. It is plotting the pre-market open line. Previous day pre-market open line is here around 306, and today present day pre-market open line, it is plotting at 312. When the price starts moving above this, it is a breakout, ORB breakout, as long as it stays above the pre-market open line, it is a buy. It's a simple thing, you can do that. With that, you can apply anchored VWAP. For your anchored VWAP, you don't need any premium version. Only this, you can add it, or you can take the volume profile, fixed range volume profile, and apply it. You will get the POC, value area high and value area low of the previous day. And when price starts moving above that, it becomes positive. Simple thing. Taking the simple indicators. So you need not ask me for the personal indicators because I have made it for my personal trading, this one. So I have told you what are the indicators you can use. One is intraday buy sell Gann levels by RITS, and it is by Ripster open line. So note down and you can trade better. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing.